This is the Claire from UniWigs, and it is so good for updos. But yeah, this is a really good, UniWigs is where this came from. They have, I know everyone's always asking for like affordable hair pieces. I would say they are probably the most affordable that I've found from a reputable company. So it looks so good, right? Do you guys like this curl? I love the way this curl looks. It's a really effortless kind of curl. So this is the halo wire. I'm gonna face the topper away from me with the bangs at the top, the front at the top. And then I'm gonna pull this over my own ponytail. And another important step, you wanna make sure that you clean off any makeup around where, like exactly where you're gonna put the glue or the gel. Because if you have makeup on there, it's not gonna stick as well. Okay, now I'm just gonna scoot this back. Okay, so now I'm gonna clip the clips. That glue I can already feel is stuck. All right, so now I'm just gonna blend my hair in with the topper hair, and it looks like the length is okay. Okay, so I just do a little fluffing. This one you can get a lot of volume because it's a mono top. So I can just run my hands through it and like go crazy on the volume, and I love that about it.